Look at my face.
You want to look at my face? Okay. Are you going to keep brushing? That's kind of tight.
What tight?
That's a little tight, yeah.
What? Wait, cool water?
No, I don't need any cold water. I'm good. Thank you, though.
Want cool water? Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Cool water. The cool water.
Okay.
Cool water. Easy cool water.
Where's the brush? You going to brush it?
Right here.
Okay. Here you go.
Right here.
Thanks, Jenna. Is my hair going to be pretty when you're done with it? Okay.
Make water. Make water.
Oh, you mean like when I brush your hair, I put water in it? No, I don't think you need water for my hair. It's not as curly as your hair.
The
Yeah.
water.
Okay.
Look his face.
Okay.
Look his face.
Okay. Hi. Does it look okay now?
No?
Oh, it's still not pretty yet? Is it going to be pretty soon?
No.
Oh, it's not. Okay. Do you want to put the hair tie in it that you brought out?
Mommy do it.
Oh, you don't want to try?
Mommy do it.
Okay, I'll do that one. Tell me when you're done brushing it then.